No, he must coordinate. You must advise that unless if you are unable to do, when this court is monitoring, this should have been brought to the notice of the court. Court is requires a injunction is put. Etaka pawa jay na. Put your signature and that has been shared among some other. It's a huge scam. No, don't take it so lightly. Just 1 month thereafter, you have filed your charge sheet because you have submitted the charge sheet immediately on the next date. Why? What more you have noticed in this? His application. So he should have been there. No, if you send somebody, whether he will be able to meet all queries of the court.
The application.
How can it be? How application will not be on record?
I will peruse it again today. The application has to be. All the application, the green ones, in the bottom of the LCR, all those green pages are those applications. It has been filed before the court. All applications. Even when we have prayed for 13 days PC, an application was moved before a second court.
Have you checked up in some of the this criminal trial when the prosecution is praying for police custody, presence of IO is necessary? Have you checked up? In some of the cases, IO was not present.
Other officer was able. I have seen. One Shokaz was issued to my officer. Why? But there is an order where the PC remand was not taken by people whenever the PC remands are being taken. There is the investigating officer has to sign it in this side. That the person is taken. But he has deputed someone, part of the team. Yes.
No, if you send somebody, whether he will be able to meet all queries of the court.
But PC remand, investigating officer is making an application, giving a detailed
His application. So he should have been there.
Multimodal application is there regarding PC remand.
But in 1 or 2 dates, he was not present at the time when.
But the investigating officer.
What more you have noticed in this?
One more thing, page 271 at that one. Record is of different things.
How many pages of these different?
But the investigating officer.
Is a default bail granted to accused number 1?
Since the charge sheet was not filed,
why?
Investigation was in the back end. Absolutely in the.
Because you have submitted the charge sheet immediately on the next date.
But the charge sheet was filed on 19/6/23.
And bail granted?
And bail granted was on 13/2/23. No, 15/5/23.
Just 1 month thereafter, you have filed your charge sheet.
So far as 3 accused persons is concerned, they were arrested on 31/3/2020.
Mr. Nondi, this is nothing. This is not a general criminal trial. What for this is? You have found out a leak in a long pipe. So you have to find out the source of that. So in that process, this is this father, son, or whatever the others are involved in this matter. They may be centered towards, this is not our effort. To centering on these two.
No, but on the last time, I guess my young friends have tried to report that more animals have been found by them. For animals, they need to register and in fact,
This is coming out, huh? Anonymous there was already identified.
There were some orders, content orders, thereafter you were some disturbance.
Now you have to. Oh.
There is, I will not say that it is scheme, might be some effort to some magic. I don't know how much there was litigations, long litigations.
No, litigation may give brief from that. The start point of litigation may be on detection. He was removed.
I have asked him.
So whatever I have asked you, that whenever you found that after being prima facie satisfied, you will find that a FIR is required to be register and give it to this team. Which district is? Purva Medinipur. No, it may reach to somewhere.
No, I'm just saying that. Name not many things.
No, don't take it so lightly. No, this may take to lead you to somewhere.
Other colleagues are responsible, but perhaps courts are. When the state wants to investigate, we are stopped. But when fingers are pointed at us, then we say that we want to investigate.
A peculiar situation is going on.
My lord, with deepest of respect, my lord, this is a submission of the state, my lord. State does not require the court permission, my lord. If there is any discrepancies,
Court requires an injunction is put.
yes,
Then-
but in their own volition, they want to start an investigation, there is no.
Injunction is put.
Yes,
Now
yes.
the situation is very complicated.
Because the school headmaster has refused to give. Now the single judge of this court, Marat, has passed a direction asking to hand over whatever documents. And the police was given a time, we have seized everything. Subsequently, we could proceed with it. And that matter first, the court has demanded back, asked the DA to file an appropriate application and register it. But the actually, how the things have been carried on.
Mr. Nonde, it is very difficult situation. If you find out the one case, each case direction.
But here, here, the way the HCR has been handled. It's 38 months,
Yes,
238.
yes.
But that is a statement. First statement before sending him to the PC. This should be in the police record. The court has kept it in a public domain. Not everyone can check. We have asked for return of the same. The court has not given us. The court has kept it in the LCR. LCR can be checked by anyone. Any
It's
officer.
a statement recorded on Image Story
Yes.
at
This
the
is
time.
first statement before PC after arrest. And this should be now case diary. If we don't have it in the case diary, the court is kept it on records. We have asked for returning of the same. The court has refused to give us.
Where is your application for return of this?
This is usually the statement we place it before, but like case diaries.
Uh.
I place it before Lordship. Lordship
It should form part of the case diary.
Malad tells us the case diary, Malad returns me the case diary back. Malad doesn't keep that case diary in the case record. Case record can be checked by anyone.
Not.
And when the investigation is going on before 207, Malad, they are not entitled. And even 207, Malad, the accused are not entitled for a copy of the statement of the accused.
He is saying that admitting, আমি বিস্তারিত জানাবো. That cooperation you got from this Sonimesh.
And best part is this is the first day we have asked for PC. The London judge has refused to give us PC. He is saying that this should be move paper. And he was demanded to judicial custody. Subsequently, before the special court move, we have to move an application to give us PC. Then the special court has given us a PC. When the special court has given us a PC,
When this court is monitoring, this should have been brought to the notice of the court.
until unless the NCRs are come,
No. The person conducting the case on behalf of the CID in the court, the PP, these are the two things that I need immediate PC of this Sonimesh Tiwari.
that we have moved. One of the co-accused, subsequently he was given PC. Another co-accused, when we have asked for PC for 13 days, they moved the revision application. The London session just said, no, I will not give you a 30 days PC, I will give you a 60 days.
This court monitoring seat is conducting, and this possibly your PP has been failed to make the court understand that what is actual, what they are doing. Make them, if you
Something, I'm showing something else. But where that, but Malad is monitoring and investigation.
Please coordinate with your PP in the court below. Advise him if it is found that he is not competent enough, remove, and I will direct some other PP to be engaged over there. Mr. Nag, this is possibly your task. The way this has been conducted, I know this is about the court, but the PP must be serious enough. No, he must coordinate. You must advise that unless if you are unable to do so, the court will be removing you from this. ask your IO whether he is satisfied with the conduct by the conduct of the PP who is conducting. So what are you doing? Should I pass an order to remove him?
Or the DIG so that she takes steps to change the thing. I assure you. Before the next date of hearing for the PP.
What is happening?
Because the way until unless my lord would have called for this NCR, we wouldn't have been able to find what exactly is happening.
What actually happened when Mr. Samim mentioned the matter the way, then I thought that only thing I can get an idea how this has been conducted from the LCR. That is why I called for the LCR. And now it is your experience in criminal side is now matching with me. I only snake that whatever is steps taken, it will the LCR will speak for itself.
My lord are taking classes and my lord, we shocked, my lord. There has been, I am doing one matter, my lord. There has been a direction from High Court to finish off the trial. There has been a direction of Supreme Court to finish off the trial. In spite of that, the Ladish judge is not paying any interest to that, and Ladish judge is fixing up a date after 2 or 3 months.
You should report it to that.
I have
No, I understand. So far, the understanding is concerned. In the Mr. Nondi, how can I share you? For the civil side, the rent suits, eviction suit, law has changed. That after appearance, the tenant has to pay directly to the landlord or shall deposit in court. Not like the other tenant, the rent controller, all these things are not there. Now, what happened? In every case, tenant is depositing rent with the in the court. It's a cumbersome situation. Taking challan, taking order of the court, depositing it. Some middlemen are there. 100 rupees deposit will be amount to 200 rupees deposit per month. Sad part is the landlord never gets it. After end of the suit, from the side of the morar, it will be a statement that etaka pawa jay na. Put your signature and that has been shared among some other. It's a huge scam. Huge scam. Then I repeatedly took in their classes that don't take that. Get the bank account of the landlord. Ask the tenant to deposit in the bank account directly at the time of 7172 or 17172. 7172, you get the statement from the bank whether they are default or not default. I'm just hammering every day, but the old concept, they are still, and they are in the hands of Sheriffs. There's another difficulty. They actually run the court. You don't know who is putting this paper from the CD from here. They don't care about it.
Same thing happened in small causes. Same thing happened. There is a racket. Small causes court will not lie. That's why it's happened. And there is a racket also. Same thing happened.
Now, Mr. Nondi, you have gone. This is at least, this has got some, you have got some, I got some impression of this trial, how it is going on. And this has some amount of benefit you have got. You have got now direct idea about how this has been done. Now, I do not want to keep the LCR anymore over here. What is the next date in the court below? You will be getting from here 28th November. Fixed 28th November. Should I keep it for some time?
Why can't we just ask the court to keep the records? Because we are not even still at the receipt to the.
Very well. I will inquire it directly from the court. They have to put it in back.
One is the detective. Who is the records of the. And Malad, nothing is in
Order.
as if Malad, he has kept it in a, he has dumped it somewhere, and when your lordship has asked, it just.
Now, this is, you have seen when these that huge latches from the part of this, our side also. This was called for when?
And it gave
No.
yesterday.
Why? Then why? When I really thought this was a threat, that all persons are involved. I'll direct the CID to register your name in this case for awaiting. Then it has come. Now, one thing you have to answer, Mr. Samir. This is not of much No, not much of some. Your integrity, your see this order, compare the এটাও দেখো order sheet টা দেখো. This is a bail application of one of the accused person. Appearing counsel only.
I have no idea about it, my lord.
See the appearing counsel over here.
Yes, my lord. No doubt about it, but I am not aware of the fact, my lord. I asked Mr. Lord.
Since
Well-
he is acting as a senior, very senior most.
But I have no idea because
Get
this.
an explanation from him.
Yes, my lord. I may I keep it. May I keep it.
The order copy he can.
I think
This will be a very embarrassing situation
Yes. No doubt
for
about it.
everyone.
Yes. Because I generally, my lord, I don't go with this side, my lord. Generally, my lord, criminal side, my lord.
No,
But might be he's not
this
aware.
is
of
not very no, this is very rather hard to digest. A case like this, Suti case, this fraud case of father-son duo, that will be missed.
after this order also. After this order of rejection, after that also he has appealed before this court with Mr.
With,
Mr.
yes, in this matter,
I am not both there, my lord.
No, he was not there.
I will pass.
The leader was there. Very well. I do not want to make any comment.
My lord,
You make it clear from him. Now, the report should I take it on record or after further whatever you are? I am not taking anything, no cognizance now of anything. Let it come on the after vacation. In the meantime, whatever instruction you need to take from anywhere, whatever right decision or whatever instruction, the way you want to give the prosecution side, make it in a step. And so far this CD, what are the seizures, Mr. Nondi? I do not want to detail. So link up. No, one thing is very easy. That's Onimes Tiwari's appointment letter. The computer generated all these.
recommendation letter, appointment letter, and approval. Three things. Recommendation letter, appointment letter.
No, not that. Whatever seizures you have made, the documents and whatever investigation has progressed so far, can you link it with the bigger scam? Are you in a position? Are you sensing that? You are sensing that.
When he was here, I have asked him regarding that. He said, when the court has given me permission, I will look into something.
Who was there?
SS, this is Special Superintendent Malda Mushidabad region.
Oh,
He is in the team. I will talk with him. He was also present yesterday.
no. This is Purva Midnapur. You have reached up to Purva Midnapur. This is, you have reached up to Purva Midnapur.
Final report. We have already forwarded it on 16th of October.
Mr. Nag, what I was wondering, for 1 or 2%, this is a big hash plan. For 1 or 2%,
My land friend was asking certain, he was providing with certain names. I want to details.
Last occasion I give that name.
We are also one he has given on the last occasion.
And not only that, my lord, in this selection process, what is not even till now is not unearthed, my lord. That is that, my lord, users of SC/ST certificate, my lord, and SC.
that is one another matter. I'm taking that.
My lord, even my lord,
Difficulties.
yes,
One is pending. What is difficulty is now, if you say that this caste cannot come under SC or ST, I suppose in 226 that cannot be investigated because the Act provides a complete different channel to investigate that process. But if it is found that the certificate completely fake, a general candidate is given SC code category, these are the things can be looked into.
yes. No, not only that, my lord, because of that, my lord, in this rule itself, there is a process of verification. But what happened in this selection process, my lord,
This is something very difficult, you know. If in the Parai Samadhan case, SC
Yes. In one of the matters.
case, how can you expect?
Yes.
In Parai Samadhan, the SC certificate given.
And not only that, my lord, because there is a provision and there is a specific procedure to give the SC/ST certificate, my lord. But not in a single SDO, my lord. With deepest respect, my lord, not followed that procedure. They just,
that
my lord,
matter-
collect the application. Thereafter, there is also a racket. They
Now, Mr. Swami, tell me, in what that matter, you are there, where I directed all the SDOs of West Bengal to submit a report.
no.
They submitted a report. They found huge number of SC/ST candidates are
Even
fake
not
candidates.
not only that.
Some of them cancelled. They preferred appeal. Appeal is pending. That is why I have to keep the writ petition pending
Yes.
before directing that withdrawal.
The
of
grounds
accommodation.
of that report is not
Some of them
supplied
were
to,
arrested even. Some of them were arrested even.
and this is not a
But this is the affidavit which was filed by the respondent number 5 in the Commissioner of School Education.
Respondent of 5. এই ধরো তো এলসিআরটা ধরো এলসিআরটা সেফ কাস্টাডিতে রাখো
No, affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, 3 and 4 on behalf of West Bengal.
Mr. Nag, I am not taking it formally, but I am keeping it in the record.
Respondent number 2, 3 and 4 being the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. The affidavit to Maharashtra,
on কবে on 14 July দেখো তো কবে found on 14 July
বার করে দাও না 14 জুলাই
তুমি যদি করো তো আমার
রেকর্ডে আছে
কপিটা নিয়ে
14 জুলাই
my lord may take my copies তুমি করো তুমি ইন্ডিকেট করো
রেকর্ডে চেক করুন আমি দেখিনি ততক্ষণ আপনি রেকর্ডটা চেক করুন ইয়েস হোয়াট ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু শো
next page, Malad.
হ্যাঁ না
The next page,
হ্যাঁ 14 July এটাই yes
page 3, Malad will kindly come to page 3. Number 2, regarding Malad Dinesh and Jasmine. The last occasion also my learned friend has given that. This is the reply of DI of school sent to us on 22nd of August 2023.
just when Khatam, yes he's the wife of
And this was sent to us on 13th 2023.
query 2 what is this is the reply yes they are working 2 not applicable means query 2 not applicable
পরে টু কোশ্চেনটা কি ছিল this is RTI reply what was the question
no not information was sought for by the team what was the query 2
Present status. Now, Malad, this name, Malad, is not transferring in your lordship's this report. Whether this name is there in your report which has been filed.
no Dinesh
But Malad will kindly produce the 13th one, the query and the answer is there.
whether the above subject is genuinely appointed in the institute both are working query 2 if generally appointed please provide the certified copy of the appointment letter not applicable means this is the query this was the West Bengal Central School Service Commission is providing you then what is this query 2 of the
তোমাকে মানুষকে সমান রিপ্লাই দিতে হবে vis-a-vis শুধু রিপ্লাই করতে হবে তাহলে মানুষটা বুঝতে সুবিধা উপরটা দাও
9 10 11 12 সংস্কৃত হয়
these are the two recommendation letters have been annexed with that copy of the recommendation and this is the appointment letter issued by the board.
Recommendation is on the basis of 12/12/90.
Mr. Nodi, this is in supersession of the earlier recommendation memo. Cancellation of previous memo dated 21st October 2019. Petition,
The petition which I
this one, the reply to your, to Oshim Mondol, we under the right to information or these are the queries. Query 1, whether above subject is genuinely appointed as the assistant teacher or not. Answer of the commission is the candidate was recommended assistant teacher. Enclosing here the letter from the secretary addressed to the Commissioner of School Education, which was related to the recommendation is enclosed herewith. What is the recommendation with?
Next page.
Is it related to 2016, Malad?
I'm searching. That I'm searching. With reference to the subject cited, I would like to inform you that Jasmina Khatun was a candidate in 12 RLST 2011. She appeared in 2012 examination.
12 bar release long back, Malad.
What was the occasion for giving him appointment in 20?
But at that time of publication of results, she was shown not qualified.
Not qualified. And Malad, I give another details. She is the wife of one of the regional chairman, Malad, regional commission chair. And she was entrusted 2 regional commission, Malad. Her husband, Malad. 2 regional commission, Malad. She is the wife of a chairman of regional commission, Malad. And last occasion,
12 RLST examination, according to this report, he was found eligible, but he was not given appointment for 7 years. On one fine morning,
one fine morning when her husband became the chairman, thereafter she got,
the name of that chairman,
I don't want to disclose it now, Malad, Siraj, Muhammad Siraj, and he is the principal of one of the college, Malad.
which college?
Most probably Shaldia College or something.
He's still the
Yes, ma'am. Still, he is the principal. He was the chairman
chairman of regional commission.
regional commission, particular regional commission, and my lord,
Region, which region?
the eastern region. Bankura, that means eastern, western region. Eta বের করো, rules টা বের করো।
Mr. Nandi, sufficient to lodge a bhaiya. Proceed. Ask me this Siraj.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to it. I just wanted to. I as principal, what happened to the principal?
Principal, he got
They have
chance to get corruption when he became chairman of that regional commission. What are the rules?
Not stop him.
You must investigate. You must ask. These materials you have in your hand.
This is Bankura. They have to file one. I have to take it.
Mr. Lag, is a fit case where these 12 RLST,
Yes.
all on a sudden, these recommendation came to the Central School
Yes.
Service Commission and they have recommended.
In the year 2019.
Make preliminary inquiry from your level.
But it is also marked in the IOS. Says recognition for document information regarding appointments to Jasmine Khatun. Bhankura Pura and School Bhankura. Reference to the reference to the above. For your information, that the Washington model as part of some document information regarding appointments to Jasmine Khatun. The request to take onward steps to provide the required document.